Hi my peacock friends, it's Miss Frida here. Today I'm going to teach you all about germs. So we need to wash our hands a lot during this time because there are things on our hands called germs that we cannot see. But I have a science experiment today to show you how powerful soap is against germs. Let's do this. All right, friends. Here in this bowl is a bunch of germs. Ew, gross. So when we touch things, when we touch anything, like when we touch our toys, our shoes, tables, our noses, when we touch anything, we get germs on them. So right now I'm gonna put my finger, in the germs, friends. Oh, yuck. Look at all those germs, everybody. Ooh, let me get a close-up. It's all over my fingers. Ah! How am I gonna get all these germs off? I need to wash my hands, right, friends? That's right. Okay, so let me go get the soap and I'll wash my hands. Okay, friends, here is my soap. Ooh, and look at what color my soap is. It's green. So, I'm gonna put my finger inside of the soap because to wash our hands, we need to use soap. Mix it around in the soap. And now, since my finger has soap, I'm gonna dip it back in. Whoa, did you see what happened, friends? Let's try that one more time in slow motion. Wow, that was so cool, huh? So when we use soap, there are no more germs. All right, friends. Bye-bye. Make sure you wash your hands nice and long, okay? Moms and dads, if you want to recreate this experiment at home, all you need is a bowl, fill it with water, put some pepper inside for the germs, and get some dish soap. All right, bye-bye.